Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made inside a modern factory? Let's go inside and see the magic happen.
Fresh cocoa beans arrive at the factory for processing.
Machines clean the beans while workers carefully supervise.
The beans are roasted to develop rich chocolate flavor. After roasting, the beans are cooled evenly.
Machines crack the beans to remove outer shells.
The cocoa nibs are ground into smooth cocoa paste.
This paste becomes rich, flowing cocoa liquor.
Sugar and milk are added to create sweetness.
The mixture passes through rollers for smooth texture.
Punching improves flavor and makes chocolate silky.
Tempering controls temperature for perfect shine.
Liquid chocolate is poured into shaped molds.
Vibration removes air bubbles for smooth finish. The chocolate cools and hardens inside tunnels.
Each bar is checked for perfect shape and texture.
Defective pieces are removed to maintain quality.
Workers pack the chocolates carefully into cartons.
Manufacturing and expiry dates are printed clearly.
Final inspection ensures safe delivery to stores.
Boxes are stacked securely for transportation.
Finished products are stored in clean warehouses.
Chocolates are loaded and shipped worldwide.